Good afternoon. Back again, Mark 2E1CQ. Back with the Radtel RT-1000 Pro. I do click on their website occasionally during the course of the day, and sometimes I actually notice that it's available to order. Then after a while during the course of the day, it becomes sold out. There is an official Facebook group for the 1000 Pro, and I've still put the link of that in the description. And the information I've had back from a quick message is that they only have a few available for sale each day. Now I understand the launch date isn't until the end of the month. The exact date, we all know when the end of the month is, but whether it's going to be officially launched on the last day of the month or the beginning of the new month, I just honestly don't know. I don't have an official date. Also, what seems to be on the website as well is the charger type for the EU, US and the UK. So you've got the options to order what type of charger you particularly want. That's for the desktop charger, as the unit is obviously C-type as well, so you don't necessarily have to use the desktop. It's there, it's available. It may become, during the course of this video or later on when I publish it on YouTube, that some options for the EU, US and UK become sold out. Don't be disappointed. Always go back later on in the day or the following day. Please use the order link I have in the description. That would be much appreciated, and take it from there. That's the package you actually get with the accessories and the radio. Obviously you've got two antennas. Presumably that one is going to be for the 27 megs or even 10 meters. Got the ordinary antenna, battery, belt clip, plug for the desktop charger in different types. And we all have different plugs for our own country. Radio, belt strap, and obviously the programmable cable, and obviously the operator's manual. Excuse me. So if you scroll on down, you've got different payment options. You can still pay by PayPal, so your order is obviously protected. Other payment options you see there, including Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's when you go on social media, I can't show you at the moment, when you go on social media, it mentions about a 15-day delivery lead time. I wouldn't necessarily take that as the gospel truth. You don't know what's going to happen after you order it, and so on. The last time I've ordered something, and I'll be honest with you, the last time I ordered something from Radtel, the 950, at the wrong time, because 1 minute it was on order, next minute it was out of stock. I never get it until 56 days later. So do be careful. Do make your own inquiries if necessary to order. The price won't stay the same, as you can see there from the normal price. So do have a look, see what you think, and decide from there. It does look like a nice radio, and I hope it is going to be a good radio for obviously Radtel and for everybody that does actually purchase it. A few people have actually ordered it. Let's have a look at some of these reviews. Right, and as you can see that there. Cannot wait for it to come out. I have the 950 Pro and want this one also. So people are interested. Sorry if I'm making a noise on my tablet. It's not the best thing to use, but it's the most efficient way of doing my videos at the moment. It's better than the laptop. Sorry to go all up to the top. And that'd be the Radtel RT-1000 Pro. And that's what you get in the box. Don't wait for the price to increase or run out of stock. Order when you can. use the link in the description. Thanks guys for another video from 2E1CQ. Please like and subscribe. 73s. Bye for now.